Did you know that nearly 40% of stroke survivors experience some form of speech impairment? But with the right techniques, many can see significant improvement in just a few weeks. Speech is a fundamental part of who we are as individuals, and when it's taken away, it can be devastating. Imagine not being able to express your thoughts, feelings, or needs. It's a frightening reality that many stroke survivors face. In this video, we're going to discuss some proven techniques to recover your voice fast after a stroke. These methods have been used by countless individuals to regain their ability to communicate effectively, and I'm excited to share them with you. Recovering speech after a stroke can be a long and challenging journey, but with the right approach, it can also be an incredibly rewarding one. Throughout this video, we'll explore the most effective techniques to help you regain your voice and confidence. Whether you're a stroke survivor yourself or a caregiver looking for ways to support a loved one, this video is designed to provide you with the tools and inspiration you need to take the first steps towards speech recovery. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the techniques that have helped countless individuals recover their voice after a stroke. You'll learn how to overcome the physical and emotional challenges that come with speech impairment, and you'll be equipped with the knowledge and motivation to start your own speech rehabilitation journey. Losing one's voice can be a traumatic experience, and the emotional toll it takes on individuals and their loved ones cannot be overstated. The feeling of isolation, frustration, and helplessness can be overwhelming, and it's not uncommon for stroke survivors to experience depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem as a result. In fact, research has shown that speech impairment can significantly impact a person's quality of life, leading to social withdrawal, reduced independence, and a diminished sense of purpose. The psychological effects of speech impairment are often just as debilitating as the physical ones. When we're unable to communicate effectively, we can feel like we're losing our identity, our autonomy, and our sense of self-worth. In many cases, the emotional trauma of speech loss can persist long after the physical symptoms have improved, making it even more challenging for individuals to recover and thrive. According to the American Speech-Language Hearing Association, nearly 60% of stroke survivors experience some form of language impairment, including aphasia, apraxia, and dysarthria. These conditions can affect an individual's ability to understand, speak, read, and write, making everyday communication a significant challenge. The importance of speech recovery cannot be overstated. When we're able to communicate effectively, we're able to express our needs, connect with others, and participate fully in life. Without speech, we're often forced to rely on others, leading to feelings of dependence, frustration, and isolation. Dr. Roberta Shaban, a leading expert in speech-language pathology, notes that speech is the foundation of human communication, and when it's compromised, it can have a profound impact on an individual's quality of life. She emphasizes the importance of early intervention, stating that the sooner we can address speech impairment, the better the outcomes tend to be. Fortunately, there is hope. With the right techniques and support, many stroke survivors are able to recover their voice and regain their independence. In the following sections, we'll explore some of the most effective methods for speech recovery, featuring demonstrations, expert interviews, and success stories to inspire and motivate you. One of the most effective techniques for speech recovery is melodic intonation therapy. This method involves using music to stimulate the brain's language centers, promoting speech production and improving language skills. By using familiar melodies and rhythms, individuals can bypass damaged areas of the brain and access alternative pathways for speech production. Another powerful technique is speech therapy with a licensed speech-language pathologist. These professionals are trained to identify the underlying causes of speech impairment and develop personalized treatment plans to address them. Through a combination of exercises, strategies, and techniques, individuals can improve their speech clarity, fluency, and overall communication skills. Electrical stimulation therapy is another innovative approach that's shown promising results. This method involves using gentle electrical impulses to stimulate the brain's language centers, promoting speech production and improving language skills. By combining electrical stimulation with traditional speech therapy, individuals can experience significant improvements in their speech clarity and fluency. In addition to these techniques, there are several lifestyle changes that can help support speech recovery. One of the most important is to prioritize self-care and stress reduction. When we're stressed or anxious, our bodies are less able to focus on the complex tasks involved in speech production, making it even harder to recover. Getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in regular exercise can also have a significant impact on speech recovery. By taking care of our overall health, we can improve our brain's ability to adapt and compensate for damage, making it easier to regain our speech skills. As we've seen, there are many effective techniques for recovering speech after a stroke. By combining these methods with a commitment to self-care and stress reduction, individuals can overcome even the most significant speech impairments and regain their voice. The techniques we've discussed in this video are not only effective but also accessible. Whether you're working with a speech therapist, using online resources, or practicing on your own, there are many ways to incorporate these methods into your daily routine. Remember, speech recovery is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. The most important thing to remember is that you are not alone. Speech recovery takes time, effort, and perseverance, but with the right support and resources, it is possible. Don't give up hope, keep pushing forward, and know that you can regain your voice and your confidence. If you're a stroke survivor, I want to encourage you to stay committed to your speech rehabilitation journey. Speech recovery is a process, and it may take time to see significant improvements, but with the right techniques and support, you can get there. If you found this video helpful, please share your experiences in the comments below. What techniques have worked for you? What challenges have you faced, and how have you overcome them? By sharing your stories, you can inspire and motivate others who are going through similar challenges. Don't forget to subscribe for more recovery tips and strategies. We're committed to providing you with the resources and support you need to overcome speech impairment and regain your voice. And if you're looking for more information on speech recovery, be sure to check out our next video on tips for improving communication skills after a stroke. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.